Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we've got a mega box of Topps Chrome here. Retail, it's got a tiny on the front of it. We're gonna get 10 exclusive X-Factor cards. The box is a little banged out, but I think it'll be okay because the packs are usually down in there in the low side and the damage is mostly up here. So let's tear into this thing, see what we're gonna get. I am pretty excited. I love Chrome. We're not guaranteed any hits, but it is home of the Chrome autographed rookie card. Hopefully one of those are hiding in here. But we will see, guys. So here are our X-Fractors. And then there's our packs. We're supposed to get 50 cards. So that'll be great. 50 Topps Chrome cards. Let's get the cracking in these bad boys and see what we get. We've got Edwin Diaz, Nick Williams, rookie card, Harrison Bader, rookie card, and Miguel Cabrera. So if we got any refractors. Yep, we got one. We got a refractor of Harrison Bader. Nice. Stuff him in a sleeve real quick. Alright, cool. Alright, we've got Victor Areno. Alright, yes, that's what I'm talking about right there. I've been wanting to get one of these. It is a Kris Bryant 35-year anniversary, designed like the 1983 Topps baseball card. And that is awesome. That is sweet. That'll be great for the old PC. And for those of you who don't know, I'm a huge Cubs fan. Been forever. Since the Sandberg days and Maddox days. So we got Elvis Andrus and Jake Lamb, I should say. And we got, they're all Chromes. So that was cool. Alrighty, we've got Tyler Wade rookie card, Jackson Stevens rookie card, a freshman flash of Victor Robles, cool, and Jose Quintana. Just check the back here real quick, guys. Alrighty, nice. Alrighty, we've got Tyler Mahle, J.P. Crawford rookie card, and Tyler's a rookie card as well. We've got Tim Anderson, and another Kris Bryant card. Nice. 2 Kris Bryants. Sweet. And that is a refractor. If you guys can see it there, it says refractor right there. It makes it real easy to find them. It's pretty cool so far. Can't complain. I'm gonna grab that Victor Robles card real quick. So that's a nice little insert card. Alrighty, guys. Moving right along. We've got a Dominic Smith rookie card for the Mets, Alex Bregman, Marcus Stroman, and Nomar Mazara. Check to see if we got any refractors. We do not. So all base pack. We've got an Anthony Rizzo. So another Cub. We are on a Cubs box. Future Stars of Alex Bregman. Tim Anderson. That's probably just going to be a regular one since we got a refractor. And Jonas Cespedes. This is a cool little insert card of Future Stars of Alex Bregman. So that's cool. Looks like we got 3 of our regular packs left, and then we still got our exclusive X Factors. Let to go, guys. Alrighty, Carlos Carrasco, Corey Kluber, Ahmad Rosario, rookie card, and a Trey Mancini. And we got a refractor in that one. And that is going to be of Ahmad Rosario. It's cool. We'll take that. We've got Domingo Santana. Oh, wow, cool. We got a hit, guys. Nice. On-card autograph of Felix Jorge. The Twins, a pitcher. I don't know this kid. Haven't seen him play or anything, but it's pretty sweet. Always nice getting an autograph. Looks like he's played in the minor leagues. So nice. Cool. Can't beat that. Kente Matada and Josh Donaldson. And they're all base. It's cool. It's always nice to get a hit when you're not promised a hit. We got Scott Kingerly, Jose Abreu. That looks like a prism. If you can see it there. Another Cub, John Lester, and German Marquez. And they are all base except for that one, which was a prism. You should be able to see that pretty well there. There's a good view of it right there. It's cool. And we got our X Factors left. We're gonna get 5 in each pack. Alright, these are pretty sharp looking cards. We got Craig Kimbrell, Edwin Diaz, Nick Williams, Hanley Ramirez, and Marwin Gonzalez. And then our final pack. What are we getting here? We've got Victor Areno, rookie card. Tyler Wade, rookie card. Mookie Betts. Odubel Herrera. And Salvador Perez. Which I get a lot of his stuff. Constantly. Especially in optics, I get a lot of his stuff. It's pretty cool. We'll do a quick recap real quick. I got some nice Cubs. We'll just breeze through those. There was a nice Chris Bryant 35th anniversary. That was pretty nice to get. We got the prism of Jose Abreu. And then we got some refractors here. 3 of them in total. Ahmad Rosario, Tim Anderson, and Harrison Bader. 2 other inserts we got was a freshman flash of Victor Robles and Future Stars Alex Bregman. And then a nice little surprise hit of Felix Jorge. I think that's how you say that. So pretty cool. Nice to get a hit when you're not supposed to get one. But anyhow, smash that like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you want. That'd be great. Leave me some comments. Tell me what you think. Otherwise, until next time, guys, keep breaking cards.